Hello and welcome. I am doing my first Mask Monday. I've been talking about doing this for probably over a year. So I thought I would do my Mask Monday and reveal everything that is in my Happy Holidays giveaway box. So I picked the primer mask. It's 5 minutes before makeup. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put makeup on today, but it's really nice because if you are going to put makeup on, this only takes 5 minutes. So I have never done a Mask Monday, and I know the group is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So I thought I would hop on the bandwagon. I actually prefer to do the kind that you put on with the like the scraper things, because it's easier for me to get on and off. These sheet masks, they're just hard. I rip them, but this one sounded fun, and it was only like 5 minutes. And I do like the primer mask. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Robin. I do all sorts of videos, clothing, lifestyle, and I happen to have my Happy Holiday big giveaway video for the end of the year. So make sure you check it out. I will leave a link in the description box, and I'm going to reveal all the items that I'm putting in it. So if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like my video. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know how much I love you and I support you if you have a channel. And I think now I know why I waited so long to do one of these, because they're not the most attractive videos. So kind of have to keep your head kind of in a certain position so it doesn't slide down. And I didn't get it all the way on the nose. It's a little goopy, and I did bring my roller so I can roll out. And then Dennis, of course, had just walked in and took one look and walked out. But I do these when we watch our TV shows at night. I always do my mask. I do it on my hands and my feet and stuff. And of course, he just, but I have to keep young and beautiful. So if you're doing Mask Monday, what kind of masks are you using? I'm going to go check them all out. It does feel good. And again, it's 5 minutes, so it's not very long. Okay, I can't get the nosy thing. So I guess my nose is just not gonna I feel like I'm picking on my nose here. Oh, I got it. Kinda. So there's my nosy thing. But it is cold, but it does feel really good. Okay, so you want to see what's in my giveaway? Let me just wipe my hands off here because they're gooey and I don't want to create mess. So I put an evening eye mask in there. I have a daily body sponge in there. I put a little bag, and in my little bag there's I never know how to pronounce it. God, I'm bubbling up. The wee spray. It's for your hair. And then we have a mask, and this is by Hi. And then this is the I Am Beautiful by Wheeler mascara. And these are all brand new, so they've never been opened or anything. And then Perlice Watermelon Balm. And then this is Relax. It's a towel so you can get your back. And then this is R & Company Prep Spray, and this is a spray hydrator for your hair. And then I have this, it's the Pivotal, it's the balls that you put in the refrigerator and then you roll them on your face and it feels awesome. And this is by Pure Heals, and it's a sleeping mask. And I have, again, several different brands of these. Love them. And I have a couple Jeffree Star, and I have the Goodbye shade, and I have the Death Blow shade. And that's a really pretty shade. And then I have by Copper Crane the Melting Body Souffle. And of course I have one of these and it feels great. And then I have Burt's Bee Enamel Care Toothpaste. And then this is fun. This is the Glow Milk Beauty Crop. And then this is the Aqua 04 Restorative Leave-In Conditioner for your hair. I know I love getting hair products. And then I have the Sunday Riley, and I have one of these as well. And then to kind of organize everything, I have an organizer. And then I have the Ultimate Strobing Kit, and this is a without ruining it, it's like a blush and highlighters. And then I have an emerald. Try not to open these because you know I'm going to stick my big old thumb in there, but this is such a beautiful palette. And I have the British Rose Hydrating Masks. I have a couple of those. And then I have a pink clay. And then for your hair, I have the different steps to do your hair. And then I have this really pretty lemon tray. And then I have by Lolita, you can see that. It's a really, I don't want to break the box, but it's a really pretty eyeshadow. Yeah, it's an eyeshadow, but can you see the color? I just don't want to rip into the box. And then I have by Carity, and you're probably gonna want me to open it so you can see the shades. And I have to rearrange. I got everything in this box because I do plan on putting more in this box. So I'm not done, but I have to see how much is gonna fit. And this is beautiful. Oh, it doesn't have a mirror. But look at those colors. So that is what I have so far in my holiday giveaway. Give me 1 second. I am just going to peel this off. As I said, it's a kind of a primer, so you put this on before you put your makeup on, and it does feel absolutely clean. I do like it. I don't know, are you supposed to use these like after? Okay. So that was everything that, my towel here. That was everything so far that I have in my holiday giveaway. I have to rearrange it so that it all fits, and if I can stuff some more stuff in there, I will. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know how I did for my first Mask Monday, and you guys take care. And don't forget, I'm going to leave the link for the holiday giveaway with all the rules and everything that you need to go by. They're pretty simple. And again, you guys have an awesome day.